more tree fell, and the existing tree over here that never got removed. Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, man, I'm in a low lit situation now. What am I supposed to do? Break out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Like I said, it's not fit for my bike ride. It is if I hold it in hand 24/7, but I could leave it in the mount and make sure it's tight. So all I'm gonna get is a wobble, and you've seen it in the video. I read and helped out and clearly showed that the Action 3 cannot do a DJI mic standalone. It needs to have a receiver. Yeah, the other person said, yeah, I see it needs to have a receiver. I didn't see it was an Action 4. You're welcome. I have some lights in the front, modified. Needs my attention. Got to figure out why they gave. And the waterproof inside that shows moisture. Got to go figure that out now. We're biking with the Cannondale Adventure 2, and I'm heading to the amusement park, the boardwalk. Oh no, it's not open, but maybe the lights are on. I'm gonna catch some shots, all that good stuff. My bike path is all bumpy. Yes, indeed. Rounding the little S turn, and we'll be right by the boardwalk. We'll see if we're early enough to see the cruise ships. White caps means there's sandbar out there. I would slide on by and make our turn. Yes, indeed, we got a cruise ship. Made it down nice and early. And there she is. If I huff and puff, I'll probably get down to the end to see her pass right by. She's beating me to the end, and I can't catch up. Well, I made it down to where I need to be at and have my talk. As far as I'm going today, and I'm turning on to the pier. Yes, indeed. We're heading down the pier. See what it looks like. A whole bunch of pigeons on the beach and on top. Listen to the waves from the DJI Mic 2. We'll make sure you see the sunrise and hear the waves with the natural sounds of the DJI Mic 2. As the ride is being tested, it's been shot up and the lights are flickering. Yeah, so I made it down the cruise ship. Man, it went real slow right into the channel. No way to catch up. It was too far and too fast for me. If I had the e-bike, I probably still would have just missed it. Well, Joe's waiting for me and notes are there. And I got to take care of some business. And I got a nice day ahead of me. I got, like I said, a how-to video on how to correct a situation that just stopped working. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just a corroded wire on both. So figure out. Never know what can happen. The juice on the Osmo Action 4 says I'm low. And I'm not sure how much power I got left to make it back. But on that note, it's best to end this long point of no return going home video. This is probably the best part. I just watched a guy catch, I think, a crab. He's trying to remove it. Yeah, 41%. Well, that's plenty of power to get home. But I am gonna finish my ride and get on going and say have a great day.